Hello everyone. We are here to present our idea on sales forecasting using linear regression, guided by Assistant Professor Ranjita Ma'am and HOD Dr. Shivan Gowda sir. We are from GM University, 4th Sem A section CSC department. Here are my teammates. I am Bhumika Naresh and here is Kaushik, Prajwal and Prakriti. Here is a problem statement. Businesses struggles with accurate sales forecasting due to market fluctuations. Traditional methods are often unreliable. Need for a data-driven predictive approach using machine learning. Accurate sales Accurate sales forecasting is a major challenge for businesses due to market fluctuations and unpredictable consumer behavior. Traditional forecasting methods such as historical averages or intuition based predictions are often unreliable as they fail to adapt to changing trends, seasonalities, and external factors like economic shifts or competition activities. This inaccuracy can lead to issues such as overstocking, understocking, revenue loss, and poor resource allocation. Here is the justification. Sales forecasting helps businesses optimize inventory and maximize revenue. Machine learning offers accurate and adaptable prediction. Linear regression is simple, interpretable, and effective for trends analysis. Optimization of inventory and revenue. Accurate sales forecasting helps businesses maintain the right stock levels, preventing stock overstocking, which leads to the storage costs, and understocking, which results in lost sales. Machine learning for accurate and adaptable predictions. Unlikely a traditional methods, machine learning can analyze historical trends, external factors, and seasonalities, allowing business to make more precise and dynamic forecasts. Advantages of linear regression. Linear regression is chosen because of simplicity, interpretability, and effectiveness in analyzing trends. It works well when there is a linear relationship between sales and influencing factors.
I am Prakriti KN. I am going to explain about a data collection. Historical sales data from company databases, Kaggle, or other sources. Kaggle is one of the best platform for finding real-world datasets for machine learning, data science, and sales forecasting project. It offers datasets in various domains, including sales, finance, e-commerce, and time series forecasting. Data preprocessing includes handling missing values, normalization, and outlier detection. Data split into training and testing sets. Algorithm selection. Algorithm selection. Choose linear regression due to firstly simplicity and interpretability. Linear regression is easy to understand and interrupt, making it a great choice for explaining relationships between variables. Secondly, efficiency for small and medium data sets. It means it performs well when working with data sets that are not too large or complex. Thirdly, strong performance when variables have a linear relationship. When the relationship between independent and dependent variables is linear, linear regression provides accurate predictions.
Hello everyone, I am Prajwal. Today I am going to explain about the evaluation metrics used in linear algorithm. Here, mean absolute error measures the average absolute difference between predicted and actual values. Lower MAE means better accuracy. Second point, mean square error. Similar to MAE, but squares the differences giving more weight to large errors. Lower MSE indicates a better model. Next, third point, R squared score. It means measures how well the model explains the variations in the data. Higher R square closer to 1 means a better fit. Next, lower error value indicates a better model, meaning predictions are closer to actual sales. Next, next here implementations and feasibilities. Implementing using Python, Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn. The model is implementing using Python with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn, ensuring ease of development. It requires moderate computational resources, making it efficient for most systems. Additionally, it can be integrated with business intelligence tools for real-time predictions, enhancing decision making for business. That's it. Next, conclusion. Linear regression is a powerful for sales forecasting. The accuracy of prediction improves with proper feature selections and data preparation. Additionally, the model's performance can be further enhanced by integrating deep learning techniques for more complex patterns and better predictive capabilities. This is our concept. Thank you.